Hello and welcome guys, let's get started. Hello and welcome guys. Today we're gonna review one of the good strategy. With this strategy you may increase your deposit. Also watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video you can take part of my profit, right? So let's get started. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and continue. So we are on the broker. As always, I have already analyzed and selected all currency pairs. Also 1 minute time frame, we have $600. So today let's look at inter-channel movement, and for this I have selected the following indicators. Double down-chain channel. The first one will go with a period of 20, the second one will go with a period of 10. There will be also fractal with default settings, and to help them there will be the CCI oscillator with a period of 15. Today we will focus on overbought and oversold areas. Also look for new local highs and lows, and navigate by searching for new extremum points, guys. Also the main emphasis in my trading today will be on intra-channel movement. That's why I started out. We will be careful, analyze the trend and price movement. In general, I think you shouldn't have any questions during my trading, since I will try to explain each transaction in detail as always, guys. You know me. So let's get started. I'll start with a half of my balance and let's go. Okay, here we go, long position. This is why in this transaction I need a down-chain channel with a period of 10, guys. As you can see, we have formed a new extremum point and touched the lower moving line. The channel indicator, the lower moving line of the channel indicator, which I have with a period of 10. Also, so the formation of a local minimum along the fractal, previously very strong upward dynamics were shown, then a price rollback followed, and after I think this pullback is some chances for the further upward movement. I also observe a reversal of the moving line on the oscillator, so let's look for the results. We have 5 sec. Let's just wait. First position is in profits without any problems as usual. There was nothing complicated, guys. As you can see, I was guided by the channel indicator with a period of 10, and in general this is exactly why I need it, right, to find this kind of trades. So let's continue. Leaving 300. Let's go. Alright, let's open short here to form a new local maximum, probably not even local but global maximum, right? That is, we found the extremum point. 2 moving lines of the channel indicator touched here according to my logic. The fractal should now be updated and show the local maximum. Then I observed that my oscillator moving line has again colored with the overbought area. So in theory we can also have a reversal in the direction of the moving line. So in this case I opened short position and a very strong exit followed. Okay, I have lost seconds and yeah, we're gonna be in the red. All right. Yeah, here is a very strong upward trend in this currency pair, and the upward movement impulse has again appeared. So in order to get a better profit, I will bet the maximum of my balance. We caught a little minus, not a big deal. Let's continue. Let's not get upset. This happens. I didn't guess with the correct entry point. Nevertheless, there is a very strong impulsive movement on this currency pair now, so I won't be too upset. In theory, the entry logic was absolutely correct. And let's continue. All right, let's try here. I'll probably try to open long position, also open position at the very formation of a local minimum, at the very point of the extremum. The quite similar entry point as in the previous deal, only in this case I'm already opening a long position instead of a short. Here I have a moving line leaving the oversold area. Also previously a very strong price correction was shown and I opened the trade at the very exit of the moving line from the oversold area. Also at the formation of an extremum point, I think the fractal should show local minimum, and let's look at the result of this transaction, guys. Alright, we're in the profits. That's great. Everything is correct and good. Let's change the amount. Let's put down 300 again. Right? So if I'll take the minus, it's not gonna be so huge. So alright, long position goes in, slightly unsuccessful entry point on my part. Of course, what I didn't see was that a new candle was forming, and otherwise the deal would most likely close in the negative. I had to wait until new candle appeared and actually showed its direction. I missed the mark a bit. Alright, I thought that after this impulsive price pullback I could continue the upward dynamics. Since I had a local minimum forming a little earlier, right? In general, after local minimum is formed, local maximum should form. In rare cases, I experienced the formation of a double local minimum, and here, unfortunately, I closed in a negative way. Yeah. If I had opened it at this level, then the deal would have been closed with a plus without any problem. Especially since the candle already showed a green color, an upward direction. There's an error here in this deal on my part. So I won't be upset for now. I'm in a profit, but the profit doesn't quite suit me. And most likely I'll take risks again, but not the risks. I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. So an open position for entire amount of my balance. So let's analyze. So yeah guys, as you can see, trading news has arrived. That's why candle's so huge, and our balance of movement has been disrupted at all in all the charts. Well, I'll still try to choose an entry into the deal. Most likely this entry into the deal will be against the direction of the impulse. That is, if I choose to open the deal here, then I'll have to open a long position. And if I have an upward impulse, I will open short position. So let's try open some positions. Suicide mission, you may think. I'll tell you, no, this professional move. Let's open bearish trade here. There's no particular entry logic here. I simply open against the impulse of movement. I think that since I already had a sharp impulse, yeah, in this case, to the top there should be restoration of dynamics, and I open a trade against the direction of this impulse. So let's look at the results. And the deal was closed with a profit. In general, there was nothing complicated here. I explained the entry logic a little earlier, and in general, probably with this result I will close the trade, since I will not take any more risks, guys. I don't want to trade with the trading news. In most cases, when you open the trade after you see a picture like this, it comes trading news. For the most part, this is a wheel of fortune, right? And it's better to wait until the movement more or less stabilizes. In fact, I will still be satisfied with this profit for today's trading. Let's move to the conclusion. I don't want to risk, I don't want to gamble. I'll just take my money and then I'll get back to the market. I'll see what's happening and I'm gonna trade. So yeah. Alright, the withdrawal operation is successfully completed. This is the strategy for today's, guys. Not so hard, quite easy. You can get it, just practice it. You need more experience with one strategy to be professional in that strategy. That's it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions to my YouTube and Telegram channel. All links you may find below in the description. Have a good market. Bye bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that. And of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get a $300 draw. So I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.